Good morning, children. Let us know the classification of plants in this class, which belongs to the plantae kingdom. So plants belong to the plantae kingdom. And here plants are divided into five main groups. So which are those five main groups? They are Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Angiosperms and the Gymnosperm. These are the five main groups of the kingdom Plantae. Okay, and let us learn about the Thallophyta group in this class. In this group, the plants do not have well differentiated body. So the plants which belong to this group, means which belong to the Thallophyta group, do not have well differentiated body. Means they do not have a stem, leaves, roots. Okay, so that's why we will call this as a do not have well differentiated body parts. And the plants of this group are called algae, and they are mostly aquatic. Aquatic is nothing but plants which lives or grows in a water. That is why these Thallophyta are mostly aquatic. And examples for this Thallophyta, so here Spirogyra and Eulothrix, Cladophora and the Cara. So these are the examples for the Thallophyta. Okay. And the next main group of the plantae kingdom is Bryophyta. So in this group, the plant body is differentiated into stem and leaf-like structures. So your plant body is well differentiated into stem and the leaf. Okay, but here there are no specialized structures for the conduction of water and other substances from one part of the plant body to the other. So here there are no specialized structure, means they do not have vascular tissues or conducting tissues for the transport of water or minerals, salts, food from one part of the plant body to the other body. That is why they do not have a specialized structure. Okay, and these plants are called amphibians of the plant kingdom. Why we will call this as amphibians of the plant kingdom? Because amphibians are nothing but these plants grow or live on land as well as in the water. That is why these plants are called Bryophyta plants are called amphibians of the plant kingdom. So examples for this Bryophyta: moss or funaria we will call, or Marcantia and Riccia. So these are the examples for Bryophyta. And the third main group of the plantae kingdom. So here the plants in this group is having a well differentiated body parts, so like roots, stem and leaves. And also it has vascular tissue like xylem and phloem for the conduction of water and other substances from one part of the plant body to the other part. So examples are ferns and Marsillia. So these are the examples for Pteridophyta. And the fourth group of the kingdom Plantae, it is Gymnosperms. It is also nothing but cryptogams, and here gymno means naked, sperma means seed. So the plants of this group bear naked seed. Okay, therefore we will call this as gymnosperms or cryptogams. And they're usually perennial. Perennial means what? So it is existing for a long time. That is why they are perennial, and it is evergreen and also it is woody. So the examples for this gymnosperms: Pinus and Cycas. Okay, these are the examples for gymnosperms. And the next main group of the kingdom Plantae, it is Angiosperms. Angiosperms are also called phanerogams, and the plants of this groups bear covered seeds. So angio means covered, sperma means seed. That's why the plant of this group bears covered seeds, and they are also called flowering plants. And the plant embryo in the seed have cotyledons. So your cotyledons is an embryonic leaf in seed bearing plants. So you know it is angiosperm is bearing seeds. That is why here it has cotyledons. So here angiosperm we can divide it into two groups based on the number of cotyledons. So one is a monocot and second one is dicots. So the plant with seeds having single cotyledon are called monocots. Example: rice, wheat, maize, green gram, peas, tamarind. So these are the examples for monocot. And What do you mean by dicot? So dicots are nothing but plants with seeds having two cotyledons are called dicots. So di means two. So which is having two cotyledons, it is nothing but dicots. Monocots means mono means single. So the seeds were having single cotyledons are called monocots. And examples for dicots: green gram, peas, tamarind, etc. So these are the examples for angiosperms.